Sound isn't just sound, it's a frequency code shaping your reality. Every sound carries vibration. Nature itself is a living frequency field. Being in it raises your vibration and sharpens your perception of higher truths. Ancient civilizations knew this. They used frequencies to heal, awaken, and expand consciousness. Modern science backs it. Your nervous system, brainwaves, even your cells respond to frequency entrainment. High frequencies like 963 Hz open awareness. Grounding ones like 7.83 Hz reset your nervous system. The right sound at the right time equals reality engineering. Sound isn't background noise. Nature isn't just scenery. They're blueprints. Master the frequencies, you feed your mind, and you master your reality. You can start with using NeoSYNC Subliminals today as your reality engineering tool.